As a part of a campaign, I received the pressurized handheld steam cleaner from the brand to try out and share my experience. So here's my honest opinion. Right out of the box, you get everything you need for a complete chemical free cleaning experience. Here's the steam cleaner itself, compact, lightweight, and designed for easy handling with a comfortable grip. And it comes with a 10-piece accessory set to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks. First, we have the precision nozzle, perfect for targeted cleaning in tight spaces like grout lines and crevices. Next, the round nylon brush, great for scrubbing stubborn stains on tiles, countertops, and sinks. Then there's the extension hose, which gives extra reach for those tricky areas like ceiling corners or behind appliances. We also have the window squeegee, which I am really excited to test on my glass doors for a streak-free shine. And finally, the measuring cup and funnel, making it easy to fill the steamer without spills. I also love the built-in safety lock, which prevents accidental operation, making it a safe choice for homes with kids and pets. Let's set it up first. I will add water using the measuring cup. Remember not to overfill, just the right amount ensures safe and effective operation. Once the water is added, I will tightly secure the safety cap to prevent any leaks during heating. Now I will plug it in and let it heat up. It takes just 3 to 5 minutes to get ready and deliver powerful steam cleaning. The indicator light lets me know when it's all set to use. I started with my windows using the window squeegee and it left the glass spotless, no streaks, just a perfect shine. You can see how effectively it removes smudges and dust buildup. Next, I tackled the sliding door tracks. A quick wipe after steaming, and the tracks look brand new. After using the steam cleaner, I can confidently say it's incredibly versatile and easy to use. Whether it's glass, fabric, or hard to reach places, it does the job beautifully. I also appreciate how compact it is, easy to store without taking up too much space. So, if you are looking for a powerful all in one cleaning solution, the pressurized handheld steam cleaner is a fantastic choice.